What's up everyone, it's me, yours truly, John Valencia, and welcome back to Truly Asia Diaries. For today, we're back for another reaction video for the Idol Philippines Top 5 performance, which is for Ann Reynolds singing Paano for Idol Philippines Season 2. But before we proceed, guys, of course, we have a very special guest for this reaction video. Nauubo pa siya. Dahil kumakain siya ng mani for today's video. Please give it up for Brian of Baklang to. Hi, Brian!
Mani! Charing!
O, diba? Naka-apat na idol hopefuls na tayo for the top 5. So, ngayon naman ay magre-react tayo for Ann Reynolds.
Yes.
For her rendition of Paano. Okay. So we know that she didn't make it to the top 3. So let's see.
Ikaw lang.
Ano bang reason? Diba? So malalaman natin yan, guys. But before we proceed, if you're new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more reaction video. So what are we waiting for? Let's go. Check this out. Alright, we're playing in 3, 2, 1, go. Here it is, guys. Ann Reynolds, Paano. Final showdown. Dulce.
Talaga ba?
Paano kung wala ka na?
Uy, pretty talaga to si Ann Reynolds, no?
Very jukebox.
Jukebox, ano?
Atake. Iba rin yung control niya.
Actually, maganda talaga yung boses ni Ann Reynolds.
Kung paano'y limot ko na.
Ay, gusto ko yun!
Lumisan sana'y
Full of emotion.
Ang dami niyang ang dami niyang hugot. Yes.
ang bawat nakasanayan ko. At lutin na maghintay lagi sa'yo. Paano ba ito?
Hold on.
Oh.
Diba? She is taking into the classic diva.
Correct.
Dulce. Diba? So, alam natin, she didn't make it to the top 3. So, does it affect na she used a very classic song from Dulce? Na parang, hindi siya pang millennial. Diba? Hindi tayo nakaka-relate.
Uy, nakaka-relate tayo.
Millennial.
Hindi ka millennial, Emeka. Para naman sa akin, it will be depending on how are you going to parang i-interpret yung kanta. Kasi, like for example, meron kasing interpretation na, okay, sige, for the sake na makanta mo lang to, then that's fine. Meron namang interpretation na masasabi mo na, interpretation of the song, but ito yung areglo na pang kay Ann Reynolds mo lang maririnig.
Pero yung atake?
Yung attack, yung boses is nandoon, pero very classic. Yung kumbaga, wala kang inaasahan, wala kang narinig na bago.
Yung parang, di ba, makaka-relate ba yung mga millennial na nanonood for today's video?
Yes, kung sa edad natin, yes, we can. But for the
alam mo
millennials,
naman, mga titos tayo of the 90s, so alam natin yan.
pero sa ngayon, kumbaga parang pag sinabi mo yung kanta niya from the start, kumbaga parang hindi mo alam or hindi ka pa familiar sa song, then ano to kinakanta ni Bakla?
Oo.
Ganon!
Let's continue. Pero iba
Yung range ng voice ni Bakla.
and the sustain.
Tulad na
And full of emotion, di ba?
at sa'yo.
Mukhang mamahalin si Bakla.
Pero parang baranggayan.
Oo,
Ano yun?
Labis mo
Because of the song choice.
laman ng bawat mong dasal.
Diba? Iba yung atake. Ganda rin ang vocal talaga.
Anong aking gagawin?
Oh, yun! Yung ganon! Yan sasabi ko eh.
Kung di mo na ako pansin.
Binibigyan niya ng style, no?
Yes, yan ang sasabi ko.
Paano ba magising bago
Hold on. tingnan mo, the way she delivers it, she give her own style.
Correct.
And Rainier's
Oo.
style. But the choice of song, do you think, does it affect? Is it a factor na because of song choice, she didn't make it to the top 3?
Hindi, magaling talaga siya. Magaling talaga si Anne Rainier.
Vocal-wise.
When it comes to vocal ni Rainier, Anne Rainier, magaling talaga siya, Pero kasi, itong performance na to, ito sa napapanood ko pa lang, meron siyang style, but medyo dry. Kaya alam mo yung Alniña, di ba? Parang may mga bitak-bitak na...
Jukebox.
Oh, jukebox siya, pero hindi natin nararanasan niya kila Dulce, kila... Basta yung mga jukebox yung kila Eva Eugenio, pag lumabas kapag bumuga, alam natin na, okay, di ba? Ang sarap pakinggan.
Yung X factor ng jukebox type.
Oo, pero kay ano yun kasi, nilagay na ng style, but alam mo yun, parang medyo dry yung performance actually.
So parang hindi niya na-capture, no?
Oh, parang kung ako, okay, pakikinggan ko lang siya, but you're not able to catch my attention. Ganon.
Let's see, di ba? Nasa gitna
Malay mo naman, di ba?
Performance. And the emotion. Iba din naman yung hagod niya.
Oo, tingnan mo si Regine parang, paano ba?
Oo.
Anong, yun yung ano niya.
Escalation.
Oh, in fairness. Oh, in fairness yun. In fairness.
Hold on. Yung part na yun.
Yung shiftings. Ganda. In fairness naman talaga.
Diba? Parang she give her own style.
Correct.
Pero does this song really something that can capture the audience?
Sa akin ako na-capture.
Yung generation.
Yung new generation. Hindi ko alam kasi hindi ko na alam kung ano yung gusto nilang kanta. But for me, for our generation, ay baka captured naman kasi yun yung sinasabi ko kanina pa. Yung kumbaga parang hindi siya dry, but if you're going
styling.
to... di ba parang, di ba kula? Di ba parang kumbaga parang kumakain tayo yung popcorn na, ang tagal naman, asan na yung exciting part? Ganon.
Parang gano'n, dun siya parang dapat binigay niya agad sa umpisa.
Correct.
But still, the vocal is good. Diba?
Correct.
Like what Moira's comment is, Anne Rainier is an artist who can sing any song.
Correct.
Diba? So let's continue. Parang she's just showcasing her range.
Totoo.
Diba? The switching.
Oy! Oy! Oh my God!
Give it a bang on the end. That is
galing!
So there you go, guys. That is Anne Rainier for Paano Idol Philippines Season 2 Top 5 Performance. Grabe! So we know that she didn't make it to the top 3, but sa tingin mo, Brian, what makes it na hindi siya naboto ng mga idol kadas natin?
Parang siya, actually doon ako sa dulo, sa climax, na na-impress sa kanya.
Doon yung na-catch yung attention.
Medyo boring at the parang first part and then sa middle. Middle medyo...
Yan galing,
sa middle, medyo may papya-hapyaw si Bakla na, di ba yung mga pakulot-kulot sa pabuga. But in the end, yun dun sa dulo, si Bakla umariba. But at the same time kasi, like what I've said, parang, tama ba yung song choice niya? And then, kasi sa age niya medyo bata pa si Bakla.
Hindi bagay.
parang hindi naman sa bagay, but medyo dry sa umpisa.
Kasi parang the experience of the song is something who fall in
love. Yung
diba?
kumbaga parang, yung talagang ibigay mo sa amin yung pala yung kulang sa kanya, yung emotions on how she's going to deliver yung story ng song.
Kasi
doon
hindi,
sa,
for sure, at her age, hindi na-experience yung ganun eh.
Hindi tayo sure, pero
But the way she delivers it,
parang
sige, sabihin natin that she is using a classic song from Dulce, but does it make it a point to be relatable? Para sa akin, hindi kasi naging relatable.
Yun nga yung sasabi ko, parang medyo na boring yung first part, and then sa middle part, yung kumbaga parang, ay si bakla asan na? So parang binubuga hanggang sa dulo. So I think na hindi naman ito yung pangit na performance niya, but at the same time, galing talaga ng vocal range ni bakla. Wala question doon, but the problem is medyo dry yung umpisa until the middle, kasi di ba performance, hindi ka pwede na mag-aantay ka lang na bubuga ka sa, ba't naman sila Regine? Di ba? Umpisa pa lang, talagang buga na. Para at least, simula pa lang sa umpisa, hanggang dulo, buka na yung bunganga mo. But, di ba, syempre, ikaw, gusto mo si Anne Rainiel. Kumbaga nag-aantay ka, anong oras na? Kumbaga parang
too late to recover yourself, diba? Na para iboto kita, pero something for me, it's not a matter of song choice, but the way she delivers it, medyo na late lang yung climax.
Correct,
diba?
totoo. Correct.
But still, Anne Rainiel, congratulations for making it to the top 5, and of course, we're rooting for you, especially the One Night Only.
Oo, totoo. Yung One Night Only mo, girl. Talagang sabi ko talaga, kailangan siya ang mag-top talaga dyan. Kasi alam mo yung talagang excitement.
Iba yung performance ng One Night Only.
Iba talaga.
But still, congratulations, Anne Rainiel, for making it to the top 5. It's a well-deserved spot, but then sadly, you didn't make it to the top 3, but we're still happy for you and still congratulations! Alright, that's our reaction for today. If you enjoyed this reaction video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you're new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Once again, my name is John.
My name is Brian.
And this is Truly Asia Diaries. I'll see you on my next one. Spread happiness, guys. Bye for now. Oh my God!